how you can delete your Outlook account. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. So let us begin. First things first, open up your web browser and go to outlook.com. Now make sure that you're logged into your Outlook account, and after you've done that, just go to your profile section on the top right. Tap on Account Manager and go to your profile. Tap on My Profile and let it load. Now after it loads, what you'll have to do is go to your account info section. Now under your account info section, you will see this close account option. Tap on close account. Now it has been redirected to another page right here. Now just tap on close account right here. You'll need to follow these steps. So we'll just redirect it to another page, and here you will need to enter your password. Now type in your password, and after you type in your password, you will just get redirected to this page right here. So what it says right here is you'll have to cancel any of your current subscriptions before you delete this account, and you'll have to save your health records that you have saved in your health vault. And because if you delete all of those before you download it, you'll lose your health records. So also you'll have to use your remaining account balances and your Skype credits and so on and so on. And after you've read through all this, you'll also have the option to change your mind. Now you can choose between 30 days to 60 days right here, and before you permanently close this account. So if you don't want to close your account and want to get back your account, you can get it back within 30 or within 60 days. So after selecting that, just tap on next, and you'll have to check through all these boxes right here. You'll have to accept these terms and conditions. So just select all of these, and after you select all of these, just select a reason why you want to delete the account. So just select one of those accounts, and yeah, just mark your account for closure. And yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you delete your Outlook account, guys. And yeah, thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye, take care.